Now we're pretty much done with our text fields. Let me close up the preview window. Now I don't want to leave this hanging where we can't see both parts of it, so we might as well just add a little bit of navigational structure to this so I can go back and forth from the form to the home text. Let me get the Actions panel out of the way here for a second, and I'll hide the form. On our home page, we happen to have this Join Now. Now let's take a look at that. That's down inside the MC Home movie clip, so I'm just going to double click into the movie clip, and we'll see what we've got. We've got that actually already made into a button. Let's see. It looks like it has a little rollover to it as well. It turns green, so that's pretty good. I'll go back out to the home content, and let me just make sure that that has a name as well, BTN Join. Let's use that button to bring up the form that we've just made, and we'll use the Send button to not only send data, but bring us back to the home page. Now that's a quick little navigation we can perform. We'll just go right back into Actions and set that up. We use the Visible property way up here at the top to temporarily hide that page. Let me just cut that out for right now because we're going to make use of that. And I'll go down here to the bottom where I'm setting up the form, and I'll add a little setup for the Join button. We'll use the same type of on-release event handling script, but this time I'll do it for the Join button. It's in the MC Home movie clip. It's called BTN Join, and we'll build an on-release function for it. I'll just paste this in here, and we'll set it up so that it automatically hides the home screen, and we'll also have it reveal the form screen. Now that does mean we'll have to hide the form screen to start with. So let me take this statement, I'll copy that out of there, and I'll go back to the top where we set up our original hide statement, and we'll hide the form screen by setting it to false. So when the program first starts up, we'll set that form screen to false so it'll be hidden. Our home screen will be visible. And to make sure we can get back to the home screen, let me just grab these two here. I'll copy them. And inside of our Send button, after it gathers up all the data out of our form, sends it off to the URL, we'll also have it change the screens back. So in here I'll set the MC home screen visible to true and the form to false. This is a really simple navigation system, and you can see how containing all of the elements of both our home text and the form into a single movie clip makes it very easy for us to set up a navigation between the two. I'll clean things up by using an auto format, and let's test this out and see how it's working. Now you can see we start out with the home page and the form hidden. We can choose Join Now. It brings up our form, which we can fill out. I'll just do a quick fill out here. And when we click Send, it should take us to the website. I'll also close out of that website real quick. Here you can see my junk data sent across there. You can see that it's taken us right back to the home page and hidden the form page again. Now this section has shown us a lot of how to deal with both dynamic and input text fields. We can manage the data. We can also manage the formatting. In our next lesson, we're going to take a look at the data that we put into the text fields. What we're going to be doing is pulling it outside of the Flash program.